And we're back to CapCut. Let me show you how you can pixelate areas in your videos, for example faces. We use this clip, basic effects. Let us go to the fore layout, then effects. I open the video effects, drop down. Should search for cartoon. That's currently where you can find the mosaic. Download it, click on the plus sign, and then you can resize that right here in the timeline. Let me go down. We want to focus only on the area where the face is. So in this case, I go to 0. This makes the pixels as small as they can be. And now we want to only pixelate the face. To do that, we'll copy the original clip. Ctrl-C, Ctrl-V can be used for that. Just make sure that you've got it selected, the original element in the timeline, and then you have two. Then select the mosaic effect and the copy. So these two elements, right click, create compound clip. So we have the original and then this pixelated original or the pixelated version of it. If I make the top one invisible, you can see the originals below without the pixels. Select the top one, the pixelated, and then go to video, mask, and then circle. And here you can see we can now adjust this pixelated area as we need it. Could also use a rectangle or a different shape depending on what you need. In this case, I use the ellipse, the circle, but I have to make it a little bit bigger to cover it in every area. And now we've got the face covered at all times. When you want to have the second face covered, there's a simple solution. Just copy paste the top element right here. Once again, Ctrl-C, Ctrl-V. So you have the original and two pixelated copies. And for the second one, we can now adjust a new mask, place it on the second face, and that's how you can do that in CapCut. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.